My bad. DeLorean EV revealed, and it's a 4-seater. Surprise. The all-electric reimagining of Back to the Future's four-wheeled co-star resurrects an old DMC plan. I saw this, of course, on social media. What a time to be alive. What a time for a comeback. Back to the Future. The era that we're in. All electric. Lovely stuff. Good looking. These images here, concept, obviously will. This thing doesn't exist in real life. These are not photographs, although I know sometimes Mo likes to take a photograph. It looks kind of like that.
Yeah. Wait, this is just a CG?
Yeah, they're renders. Those are renders, Mo. But Mo.
But still.
But Mo.
And a 4-seater.
Consider your feelings. What do you think?
I like this. I think it looks really cool, especially with the door open.
You like?
I've seen the picture with the doors open.
Yeah, they got the gull wing style doors, very futuristic in the inside. Of course, you have like a portrait style display, a lot of displays, 4-seater, which is nice.
Which is good.
Which is good, some would say. So I can get a couple family members in there and we can boost around.
You getting Taycan feels out of this?
A little.
I'm getting a little Taycan feels out of this.
Man, there's only so many ways you can make a 4-seat car.
Yeah. And make it look as cool as this looks.
As cool as possible.
Yeah.
And these are still renders, and renders still tend to look cooler than eventual products because unfortunately you have to actually make them. What do they want? They want money from us? Well, is that what they want? Like everybody else, give us $500?
Oh, they put the logo on the side. I know this isn't the final, but they put the logo kind of everywhere in this render.
What you mean everywhere? Oh,
underneath the light.
Too many logos. Too many logos.
Yeah, that's me. Too many. Oh, right up at the front.
Alpha
Actually,
5 launch edition. What do they want from us, Will? 500? 1,000? 5,000?
Can you guess?
Well, the thing is with these EVs, they try to make it as low as possible. And they're like, we don't care. You can refund. But then they counted it as like a sale. Or
a reservation.
What do they want? Well, eventually they want 175, which is...
Is that starting?
Which is high.
Is it high?
It's high. DeLorean EV is targeting a 100 kilowatt hour battery pack that should provide north of 300 miles of range and power a dual motor all-wheel drive setup. It will accelerate 0 to 60 in 2.99 and 0 to 88 in 4.35.
Is this comparable to the Taycan?
No, Taycan's faster than that.
It's faster.
And has longer range, right?
And has longer range, right?
But the door is open.
No. Wait. What's 300 miles in kilometers? That's similar range. Similar range to Taycan. I know it's cool, a little bit cooler, but you're also taking a risk on a company that hasn't made a car in 4,000 years.
480 kilometers.
Well, actually, the original company was AMC, right?
I wouldn't know.
Oh, no, it was DMC? Anyway, this new incarnation of DMC, which shares only the name with John DeLorean's original company, worked with Giorgetto Giugiaro, E-Tile Design, on the look of the new EV. E-Tile Design also did stuff.
That DeLorean came
Its
out.
unique paintless stainless steel exterior ensured that its body would never rust. Oh, they're talking about the original one. It only had 130 horsepower. It's hilarious. Yeah. It was revealed today to those who signed up for early access on the official website. The full public reveal will occur tomorrow, May 31st at 9 p.m., followed by a formal showing. Okay, so we're going to see real life. And then what I want to know is how much money they want from us to like hold a spot.
Right. What does their official website look like? Can you hit that link in the article?
Official. Okay.
Oh, wow. That's cool. Little countdown.
So they don't even want to take our money yet. They'll take our money in
8 hours.
8 hours. And then we'll tell you, well, I guess we'll be back here. We'll tell you how much it is. Maybe we'll do it live. Maybe I'll give them my money live.
Right.
Well, I mean, Mo, it's like they make it like $500 or $600.
I know, yeah.
And then they say cancel anytime.
But you don't.
Well, I mean, you can.
You can, but you don't.
You can't. You
keep
don't.
This thing.
You do? I do?
Really?
I don't know.
I think you keep.
I think it's one of those ones that is going to take a while to show up.
Of course.
That's why it's so impressive that they're delivering the Lightning already.
Mm-hmm.
Because the track record across other brands for actually delivering electric trucks.
Yeah.
Rivian's delivering,
Mm-hmm. Slowly.
but they had a head start as well on Ford.